Hello friends, welcome to Woodworking Zone. In a world where machines are getting smarter every day, where AI can design furniture in seconds, you may wonder, is there still a place for human hands in woodworking? The answer is yes, but only if you adapt. Step 1. Embrace the uncopyable. AI can design. Machines can cut. But what they can't do is create soul. Your story, your touch, your imperfection, that's your signature. People crave handmade, authentic, real. Step 2. Use AI as a tool, not a threat. Use AI for what it's good at: planning, marketing, idea generation. Let it help you, not replace you. Design faster with AI, but build with heart. Step 3. Go global from your garage. Thanks to social media, your small workshop can reach the whole world. Start a YouTube channel. Share your process. Sell custom pieces online. People don't just buy furniture anymore. They buy stories. Step 4. Keep learning. Keep evolving. Don't fear technology, understand it. Learn 3D design. Learn digital tools. Because the future belongs to the woodworker who knows both tradition and tech. AI may shape the world, but your hands still shape beauty. Don't quit. Adapt. Because true craftsmanship never goes out of style. Subscribe or follow Woodworking Zone to learn about woodworking.